Hi guys, welcome to another market news and updates. I'm your host Omi. Welcome to OMIMIZ YouTube channel. As we discussed yesterday, there was a possibility for Bitcoin to close above 51,700, but we failed to do that. And now we're facing the consequences where we had a very sharp waterfall, and the waterfall effect has brought us back to 47,000. So let's see today in the charts what could be the possible zones for us to be trading today. Let's start with our total, because we do know that the total had been trying to make support on our downtrend line, but as we can see, we are retesting it right now, and a lot of other resistance and support भी अभी retest किए जा रहे हैं. So until then we have to wait and see what are the possibilities. So USDT की dominance को देखें तो it's nicely taking a rejection from our downtrend line, which is not allowing it to go any higher right now. और अगर हम लोग BTC की dominance को भी देखें तो it is at historical levels. I am so interested to see whether we're gonna break this historic level or not, or we're gonna maintain this for the rest of this phase in our BTC's dominance. If we look at ETH's dominance after making a head and shoulders has been coming down. It's already at our pink line and is now trying to take support from here, as we can see. So hopefully we can expect कि यहाँ से थोड़ा सा pullback आएगा, and I want to give some support to our others dominance as well. Right now अकेले others dominance has been rallying the market, which is a very dangerous sign for us, because if it comes down sharply, इसके बहुत सारे disadvantages हो जाएंगे and we're gonna see massive downside on altcoins especially. अगर हम लोग Bitcoin को देखें तो Bitcoin right now is back in the zones of 47, and right now it's getting rejection from 47,895. It's trying to build and trying to go up and has been consolidating after the waterfall effect around here. As we discussed yesterday, we were making a big M pattern. The M pattern almost got completed. This was the neckline. So now we are facing the same rejection from the neckline of our M pattern, and this could become a very strong resistance, and इसकी वजह से हो भी सकता है we could go down to 44,000. Yes, there's a very high possibility that the market can go to 44,000. As we can see here, our M pattern finishes somewhere here, and if we take our M pattern and try to put it exactly at our M pattern's end, this shows us of a downside rally coming of about 44,000. Possibly, hopefully this doesn't happen in the markets, but as we know, we can't control the markets, and market doesn't really care what OMI thinks about the market. If we go to ETH में भी देखें तो we have a similar resistance in play right now, and we had a bigger M pattern in play as well here, so which is also very dangerous. We can expect ETH, if ETH does come down, to go back to 3,327. The upsides always remain the same. We can go back to 4,344, but for now it kind of looks not possible. अच्छा नहीं होगा कि हम FTM को डिस्कस ना करें और इस वीडियो में आगे चले हैं. So FTM did what it was supposed to do, and we were expecting it to do, and as we can see, it consolidated beautifully on our uptrend, and अभी भी यहाँ पर अपने आप को consolidate कर रहे, space बना रहे, taking bounce from our trend line. Otherwise other coins had very strong pullbacks. We even saw Luna coming back to our trend line. Right now it's trying to consolidate and make support around here. Hopefully what was good about Luna was it didn't break our support line, and it only went down to flush out some liquidity orders that were at 83.45. Overall, if we look at most of the coins right now in the market, they are in a pullback and now trying to consolidate, come back, and have a very strong reversal pattern. But we have to see throughout, because as we know, time is running out very quickly for us. We were expecting some big move to be coming from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. As we know, Fridays are always options expiry, and this Friday is also going to be the New Year's. So we can expect maybe we're not going to be seeing any upside by the end of this year. Greed and fear index, whether people are fearful or full lalchi ho gaye market mein. So as we can see, we are at 27 right now, and 27 is a significant level. We're back at 27 because that was the place where we started our pump, and 27 brought us to 45, and now we are back at 27 levels. These are the levels I really like, because these are also the levels where greed and fear index usually bounce from. Let's jump into our news for today and see what's the news. Analysts warned that possible downside Wick could push BTC price as low as 44k, as we saw from our M pattern as well. A double top formation preceded Bitcoin's plunge to 48,000 on December 28, with some analysts suggesting it could dip to 44,000 before resuming its uptrend. If we look at the data from Cointelegraph Market Pro and TradingView, shows that an early morning wave of selling broke through BTC support of 50,000 and was followed by a second wave in the early afternoon that dropped the top cryptocurrency on a daily low of 47,318 before bulls managed to steam the outflow. So what we can see is BTC के अंदर all our bulls have tried to bring back the consolidation, which we can see that we're trying now to maintain ourselves around somewhere 47,500. But whether we'll be able to do that or not, we're gonna find out in the next 48 hours. Especially each 4-hour candle is very, very important now. Consolidate and see whether whatever we discussed just now in the chart does that actually represent the news article in our charts. So if we go for here, yes, we did make an M pattern. We made a double top that has brought down us here. When we saw our target from the M pattern, that clearly brought us to 44,000s. Even though right now we are hoping to break this upside and then break this 53,000 resistance. This resistance zone is very, very important for right now for BTC to break, to have any kind of upside before ending the year on a very good note. This year itself was one of the best years. We saw 63,000, we saw 69,000, and we also saw some of the highest bear market highs of 39, and right now, like we are trading right now in 47,000. Overall, the whole year was a very good bull run and people made a lot of money. So this is all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comments section. So take care, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.